Hey, what's up everybody? Bo is here. Today I want to make this video of opening the box. This is a heater. The brand is HLN. This is a China brand. They sent me this unit here to review and to install to see how I feel. So I'm going to do an open box review and give you my opinion of what I think. I have installed many different heater brands. This is the first one that I have touched. The brand is HLN. This is the China brand, but this brand is known to be an OEM brand that is from China. They make so many different kind of heaters. They make heaters for heavy equipment like farm equipment or buses, big trucks, 18-wheelers, heaters. And they sent me one this unit here to install on one of the vans here and see how I feel. So let's open the box and see what the first impression is about these units. Okay, so first let's see. Okay, here's the unit. So this is a 2 kilowatts diesel air heater. Wow, this is small compared to all those units that I have installed before. This is yeah, a lot smaller, very compact, really nice. And there are okay, the two connectors coming from here. I can tell one is for the fuel line, not the fuel line, the power to the fuel, and the other one is the unit power, the 12 volt. This is the 12 volt unit. And same thing, same as other heaters, you have the fuel lines here and 4 screws, and then the intake, the air intake here, and then the exhaust here. So yeah, this is really tiny. Okay, and let's see what kind of harness we have. So I have installed the German brand, the Webasto, and I installed this one here. That is the $1,500 unit. It has a high altitude adjustment, and so as this unit here, it has a 10,000 feet automatic altitude adjustment. It has a Wi-Fi capability. It has the remote control that you can program it from your smartphone. You can turn on and turn off and program the unit to when it can start and when it can turn off from your phone wirelessly by connecting to the Wi-Fi. And let's oh, here is the oh, look at this. Okay, so it also has this is the heat sensor. So it can sense the air. Look at this. This is the same remote as the Webasto unit. Okay, it's a dial here, and then it has the display here, and it's got a flat already insulated wires harness coming out. Okay, so it does look similar to the S-bar heater. Okay, while I'm here, take a look at this. Is the fresh air intake. Look at this. It has the it's like an air cleaner. Okay, this one connects to the bottom of the heater, and it has like the it also will have they should have, oh, here's the filter that connects into here. Okay, and it keeps your air clean. And here is the exhaust pipe. Look at this. The quality of this pipe here is really good. This is your silencer, the exhaust here, and this is stainless steel, and it's a lot longer than the other Chinese brand that I have used. The other ones, it's about this long, and it's really light. It doesn't feel like real stainless steel. It feels like aluminum, but this one very high quality stainless steel right here. Okay, and of course the hot air output hose right there. So if you have installed the Webasto heaters before, when you pull out these harness, you know how it feels, right? Okay, so look at this. Look at the what they call the looms they use to protect it. These are really tough, really smooth, and it's a high quality, because I have like wire looms I ordered before, and they're really soft. When I try to route the wires inside, it's really hard. When I open it, just keep on bending. But look at this one. This is really quality. Okay. This is for the fuel pump. Okay, and one side connects to this side connects to the unit that I just showed you. Okay. So that's very easy to understand. This is the main harness right here. Okay, this side connects to the other line on the unit, and then it comes split in two right here. Okay, and it's very long enough. So this side goes to the fuel pump, and oh wait, this is this one goes to the temperature sensor, and this one goes to the control unit. Okay, and then on this side you should have, oh, here. Okay, this is going to your battery with the fuse, inline fuse right here, and it already should have, oh yeah, the fuse in there for the unit, so it's ready to go. Okay, so all you have to do is connect to right here. Okay, they do it like that, so it's easy for you to route the wires, so it you know, these are not in the way. Okay, so that's very very clean. It's long again. Look at these protection, the loom, the wire loom for the unit. This one is your fuel line. Okay, so it's in a separate bag, fuel line with the fuel pump. So you know all of these, everything inside this bag, it's for the related to the fuel. And here's your fuel pump. And okay, cool. It shows you an arrow which way is you know, in and out. So that means your fuel's coming in and it's going out that way. So some fuel pump, it doesn't say anything, so that's a plus. And all your hoses for the connection right here that you can connect to your auxiliary fuel auxiliary fuel output from your fuel tank. Okay. Fuel line, look at this. It's really small and it's tough. It's I have the other fuel lines I have over there. It's besides the German brand, the other China brand I have. The fuel lines really soft. You can bend it really easy, and then when you press it, it flaps. Right, but this one is not. So some quality right there, and also the again the loom to protect the fuel line. So okay, very nice. I can see it's a higher grade than the other Chinese brand that I have done before. And it also comes with the, this is the fuel tank. Okay, this is a if you have to tap into your fuel tank, this is both for it. Okay. Some clamps and rings and all the stainless steel. These are all stainless steel clamps. Okay, high quality stainless steel clamp for your hot air out. And also you got the manual here in English. Okay, and your exhaust, I mean the air outlet, right there, so you can rotate and position the air out. Okay, so first impression. Okay, I think this is a high, really good quality unit. I really like it. I would recommend it. The way I see the quality of the materials here, and I know it's a good quality unit. Okay, especially I like the controller. Okay, these controllers are really easy. It's you know, very what do you call it? User friendly. On off, set your temperature, versus the other fancy big display I had over there. It's very confusing. I don't even know how to use it. All I did was having the remote on and off, and that's it. So okay, I hope this will help you decide if you are in the market for buying a diesel heater, either for your van, for your trucks or whatever application, you can try these units. I really like it. I can't wait to install this and test it out in one of the vans. So okay, thank you for watching. This is Bo. I will see you next time. I will list the link for this product in the description below. Bye bye now.